Hey everyone, this is Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video we are talking about how you can use EFT tapping to achieve your dreams and goals. Now, we all know that not achieving the dreams and goals that we have can feel really painful. And in my book, Instant Pain Relief, I had talked about, how not even knowing what my purpose was in life and not knowing what was my unique gift, and this pain of just feeling like I was drifting aimlessly through life, just doing jobs that came my way, but not really feeling connected to it and not feeling like I was doing anything meaningful, eventually resulted in me feeling developing a physical pain in my body. Interestingly, it was in my heart chakra. It was costochondritis, an inflammation of a ligament that connects the ribs with the breastbone. And the feeling of being disconnected not only with life but with myself, in my relationships, and in my career as well. And so what is going on in your life is going to affect you on all levels, right? And so not achieving your goals and dreams can feel so painful, and it is important to address that pain, because eventually it leads to all kinds of other pain, physical, mental, and emotional pain. And so how can EFT help you achieve your goals and dreams? Well, in the book, chapter 26, I think it is, it's called What Now? Chapter 26, What Now? I share with you how you can use tapping to create a new vision for your life, for your health, and in all areas of your life. And so how do you do that? Well, I'm sure you are familiar with the movie The Secret, and how everybody got introduced to vision boards 15 years ago, 16 years ago it was, 2006 and 7 when the book Secret came out. And so I started using this concept as well, and including it in my tapping. And so what you do is you first create a vision of what you want. Maybe, like me, 15 years ago, you don't know what your purpose is. And so put out there on your vision board a representation that makes you see that you found your purpose. So, whatever that means for you, put a vision out there for yourself. If you know what you want, wonderful. If you don't know what you want, what is your vision career-wise, then put something that that symbolizes that you discover your purpose. And now the vision can have other things like, what do you want in your relationships? What do you want in your finances? What do you want in your health? What do you want in your travel? Do you want to travel? Do you want to live in nature? And I describe in the book, how my kids and I started creating these vision boards way back a decade ago, and we put a house in nature, a house by the beach, having dogs and traveling, and all of that came true. Including where I'm staying right now. Here is a house in the golf course, and the beach is literally a 5-minute drive from our house. And I share this not to boast, but to tell you it's possible. So the step one is that you create a vision of what you want. And that vision can keep changing once you've achieved it. You tick it off and you put a different vision, right? So what do you want right now in your life, 5 years from now? Put that on your on a computer, on a paper, right? Health, finances, travel, relationships, love life, whatever is important to you. Create that vision board. Okay. Now, when you look at that vision board, it might make you excited, but it also might make you doubt and say that, how is this possible? How is this house in nature possible? We don't have the finances. How is this fit and toned body possible? I've already been doing all this hard work and nothing's working. How is travel possible? I don't have the finances, I don't have the time, I don't have, my work doesn't allow it. I'm so busy, and all kinds of negative self-talk will come up when you look at each of these pictures that you have on your vision board about what you want. And all you have to do, step 2, is write down the self-talk that's coming up. Okay, the negative self-talk, write it down about each of the pictures. And then these are the roadblocks to your achieving your goals. Why are these internal negative thoughts of limiting thoughts and limiting beliefs and all this inner friction? Why is that roadblock to achieving what you want? Is because you have your conscious mind, which knows what it wants. There's a vision board, and the subconscious mind, which is 95% of your brain, has all these fears and worries and doubts and all of this inner negativity. And your conscious mind and your subconscious mind is not lined up. It's not aligned. And so you can keep looking at that vision board, but if your inner talk and inner beliefs and inner environment is not lined up with what you want, there's a clash, there's an inner tug of war, and it's hard to achieve what you want. And so number 1, create your vision board. Number 2 is ask yourself on a scale of 0 to 10, do I believe that I can achieve this goal? 10, yes, for sure, I can achieve this goal. 0 is like, no. 4 is like, yeah, I believe I can achieve it, but. So write down what comes after the but, write it down. And then use EFT tapping. How? Well, I describe it here in the book. If you want, you can get the book, and if not, I'm going to share it right now. So basically, here's what you would do. You would tap on your karate chop. I'm just going to read the script for now. It's in the book. Even though I don't know how I'm going to achieve this goal, this fit body, or this traveling to this destination, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to release all worries, all doubts, and I choose to believe that anything is possible. Miracles happen all the time, right? And then you do the tapping. All these doubts, all these negative thoughts, all these worries that are standing in the way of me achieving this goal, I release and I clear them and I delete them and I let them go from my heart, from my mind, from my body. And I choose to believe that anything is possible, and I choose to believe that miracles happen all the time. And of course, you can go into a lot more rounds. I'm just giving you a brief of what you can do to clear that inner resistance, the worries, the fears, and the doubts. And now look at that vision board again for, let's say it was the fit body, or let's say it was the travel destination. And on a scale of 0 to 10, if it was a 4 first, does it feel like it's shifted, like maybe a 6? And if it is shifted, then you've cleared some energy and you've lined up even more towards achieving that goal. And what you can do is look at that vision board every day, right? And see what's still there. What negative self-talk is still there. Write it down, clear it, till when you see the vision board, you feel good. You feel like, yeah, this is possible. I can do this. And I know that as I clear the inner resistance, I step into flow. And when I'm in flow, then it's easier to attract all the things that I want into my experience. So that is how you can use EFT tapping to line up and be in flow with your dreams and goals and set yourself up to achieving them, which also means taking action. Because when you clear the energy and you clear all of this, you might get an inspiration like, do this, go here, attend this workshop, email this person, you know. And I share with you in part 1 of the book how the first chapter is called Anything is Possible, and how I was able to meet my idol, Dr. Joe Vitale, at a retreat in Austin, Texas. I'd been following him. He's a star in The Secret, and I was able to meet him randomly, not so random, but randomly, and he had been part of my vision board. And I met him in Austin, Texas. He came to Thailand. I spoke on his stage, and I led the people with the tapping, and he actually endorsed my book, and he even made a video testimonial, and we are actually friends right now. And as I make this video, I'm in his mastermind, Law of Success Mastermind. So really, anything is possible. Miracles happen all the time. You can use EFT tapping to achieve your goals and dreams. So I hope you'll give it a try, and if you have questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will be sure to address them. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.